Hello students, welcome to all. Today we will practice some MCQs on history that are useful for your SSC, State PSC, Rail, Police, Defense and other exams. So let's start. First question is Nehru is a patriot but Jinnah is politician. Who said this? Abul Kalam Azad, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Mahatma Gandhi and Muhammad Iqbal. The right answer is option D, Muhammad Iqbal. Next one, who wrote the Indian struggle? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru. The right answer is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Bal Gangadhar Tilak published two magazines, Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha. Next one. Indian National Army founded in 1942, 43, 44 and 45. The right answer is 1942. By whom? That is Captain Mohan Singh. Captain Mohan Singh founded Indian National Army. Where? In Japan. Calcutta remained the capital of India until 1909, 1911, 1913, 1915. The right answer is 1911. Then it shifted to Delhi. Next, the Servants of India Society is established by M.N. Joshi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is option C, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. So this point is also important. Next, who is known as the father of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee, Surendranath Banerjee, Mahatma Gandhi and A.O. Hume. The right answer is A.O. Hume is known as the father of Indian National Congress. Indian National Congress founded in 1885. Where? In Bombay at Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College. Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College. Who is called Sher-e-Punjabi? Amar Singh, Guru Nanak, Raja Ranjit Singh and Lala Lajpat Rai. The right answer is Lala Lajpat Rai. ICS exam started in India in 1856, 55, 54 and 53. The right answer is 1853. It was started by Lord Dalhousie. Next, Phayan came in India during reign of Samudragupta, Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II and Harshavardhan. The right answer is Chandragupta II. Phayan was the traveler from China. He came from China. Next, Huan Sang came in India during the reign of Samudragupta, Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II and Harshavardhan. The right answer is option D, Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan is the right answer. The book written by Huan Sang is Siuki. Siuki, or it is also called the records of the western world. The records of the western world. If in option there are no CUK, then the answer will be the records of the western world. CUK is also called the records of the western world. Next, Priyadarshika is written by Chandragupta II, Harshavardhan, Banbhatto and Ashwaghosh. Priyadarshika is written by Harshavardhan. Harshavardhan is the right answer. Banbhatto wrote Harshacharit. Harsacharita is written by Ban Bhatto, and Asya Ghosh wrote Buddha Charit. Ban Bhatto wrote Harshacharit and Asya Ghosh wrote Buddha Charit. Next one, the third battle of Panipat takes place in 1760, 61, 62 and 63. The right answer is 1761 between Afghan and Maratha. Next one, which Delhi Sultanate finished the construction of the Qutub Minar? Kutubuddin Aibak, Balban, Iltutmish and Rajia Sultana. The right answer is Iltutmish. Kutubuddin Aibak started the construction of the Qutub Minar, but Iltutmish finished the construction of the Qutub Minar. And Rajia Sultana was the only Muslim woman ruler of Delhi Sultan dynasty. Next one, Rowlatt Act passed in 1917, 18, 19 and 20. The right answer is 1919. 1919. In 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre also happened. Next one, who founded Prarthana Samaj? Dayanand Saraswati, Atmaram Panduranga, Sahajanand Saraswati and M.N. Joshi. Prarthana Samaj. The right answer is option B, Atmaram Panduranga. In Bombay in 1867. Prarthana Samaj was founded in Bombay in 1867. So that's all for today.